To complete this task, you need the following items: bag of Quikrete, post hole digger, 2-foot level, tape measure, access to about a gallon of water, and a stir stick or a pole. This project's best completed with 2 people and could be finished in about 60 minutes. Step 1. Locate and dig. Before digging, locate a safe location near the tee box where you can dig a 2-foot hole without the risk of damaging underground utilities. Once your location has been determined, use a post hole digger to dig a hole about 10 inches wide with a depth of about 2 feet. Once ready, take the post and place it in the hole. Ensure that you have a gap of about 1 inch on all 4 sides of the post. This helps for the concrete pour. Step 2. Position and align. With the post in the hole, position the face of the post towards the direction that you want it, typically square to the tee box. Have your partner hold the post while you pour concrete into the hole. Fill until it's 2 inches from the top. Step 3. Add water. With the concrete powder poured into the hole, just add water to start the quickset process. It's helpful to use a stick or a pole to stir this mixture together. Step 4. Cover and level. Using the dirt that you've recently removed, cover the top of the hole and compact it around the post until it's level with the ground. Using your 2-foot level, adjust the tilt of the post so that it's square. The dirt will help hold the post in place while it sets. The concrete should be dry in about 20 to 40 minutes. Step 5. Attach T-sign. Before attaching the T-sign, it's important to allow a minimum of 4 hours for the concrete to totally set. Now that your T-post is secure, you can attach the T-sign to the post. You can find out more about this next step in our follow-up video, installing a T-sign. If you have any questions, please contact us.